These chicks don't even know the name of my band. Cause when they me all wanna hand. Cause when we blow we know that I'll be the man. Or because I'm the lead singer of my band. My band, 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 my band. Oh, oh, yeah. Come on, people. Where you at? Where are you at? Where they at, dude? Where they at, dude? Where they at, dude? I said, where they at, dude? What's up, man? What is up? Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Go up so I can make some profit. And my daily work can be done. Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, it would. But you don't want to do that, do you? You want to go sideways. Man, shit. Stop acting a fool, Bitcoin. Just do what I want you to do, alright? This ain't for pleasure. This is for business purposes. So you better just act up before I get my homies on you, alright, Bitcoin? You hear me, boy? Or girl? Whatever you are. You abomination. You beautiful abomination. Money making abomination. In a crypto nation. Oh man. Lol. Yo, what's up, guys? I know it's early in the morning. It's like 10:42. Leave some comments in the comment section. What you guys eyeing today? Come on. See, a good trader always readjusts. I tried to short here. I put my stop loss in because I realized the errors of my ways, and then I longed the bounce. So hey, what do you know? Big evens, guys. Big evens. They do wonders, especially from this dump. I could see this going at least up to the VWAP of around 1870 in the next 3-4 hours or whatever. So what profit would that be? I mean, my ETH trade isn't huge, so 1870. So it'd be 100%. So yeah, I'd make my money back and then some change. Hey, there we go. See what I mean, guys? See what I mean? Bitcoin's doing this thing now. Let me move this back up. That's right. And I'm not going to be greedy this time. I'm not being greedy. I will take my profits. Because yesterday I was up like 240 quid. And I only took like £50. So I don't like to make the same mistake twice. Is anyone watching? Let me have a look. Yes, people are watching. What's up, man? Could someone like the video, maybe? I know there's not many people watching, but if you could, that would be nice. If you haven't already, guys, I wouldn't long now. Going forward, I would wait until there's like a key level, like 54,000 here. Just put it in for like tomorrow if there's a dump. If we go back higher, then you could raise that limit order from 54 to like 55 or something. But not right now because it's having the bounce, and it's not guaranteed to go straight up. It could shenanigans sideways. That's not even a word, but you know what I mean. Cool. Ethereum. Let's check the crypto news for today, and maybe make my withdrawal as well. So CoinDesk or Cointelegraph. Let's go to Cointelegraph first. Any comments? Nope. Still no comments. Okay. Thank you for liking the video, man, or woman, or animal that could potentially. No, I'm joking. I was trying to be witty, but it didn't pay off. Anything interesting? Swiss crypto ETP issue passes 1 billion under management Korea fast track the 20% tax on Bitcoin. Sheesh, I would not want to live there. Although you still have a year if you're living there, so that gives you some leeway, I guess. The 50k trigger Peter Schiff. It's funny, yeah, because the Moon was talking about Peter Schiff buying Bitcoin being an indication to sell yesterday, and it literally paid off. So let's see how this bitch is doing, man. I'm waiting for these parabolic SAR dots to start coming underneath, and for price to roughly hit this level, and then I'm out. I'm done for the day. That's my work done. I'll go do some online shopping maybe. If you're new to the channel, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. Hope crypto markets are blessing you. It's a good time to be alive. Everyone's making money. It's not hard. Just long the dips, buy the dips, whether it's spot or leverage. Buy the dips. You're sweet, man. Man, never made as much money in my life. It's a blessing, man. It's a blessing. If you don't already, I would suggest earning interest on your crypto, and there's links in the link tree to Celsius, Nexo, and BlockFi. If you use Celsius or BlockFi, then you get like $20 or so if you keep your money in there and you don't keep moving around. A coin that people are telling me about, Pundi X. So I do need to start paying attention to it because it's making waves. Not much movement against USD today, but against BTC and Ethereum, it's gone up, mainly, I guess, because of their demise, which isn't a bad thing if you're playing the markets, going in and out. So, excuse me. Ooh. The last 7 days, yeah, steady growth. We have a spike, a consolidation, a consolidation. This is a crypto payments coin, I believe. So anything to do in that space, excuse me, would, I believe, start to see some price appreciation, which it has been doing. How's Ethereum doing? I don't want to stay in these positions for long, man. I don't want to get burnt. 63. Oh yeah, pro tip, guys. When you're doing limit orders, in case you didn't know already, you get paid to be a market maker. So at the moment, forget this, but if I'd put in like my whole balance of ETH and I just if I'd put it here, I would get a certain percentage. Whether it's this percentage, I'm not 100% certain, but you get a decent kickback on fees. And it's the same thing for if you're selling a limit as well. You can see here at the moment the profit is 64.25. If I go to sell by if I hover over it, then it shows me, I believe, the mark price. So there's often a difference, and the higher we go, if I sell or buy at a limit via a limit order, then you get an extra few percentages of gains, I guess you could say. Come on, bit. Realistically, it's going to take some time to play out. After this dump here, it took maybe 45 minutes, an hour. Yeah, so patience. But from here where I entered, if we forecast an hour shit, hour and a half. Yeah, I can do that. Cool. Any comments? No. Yo, what's up, guys? How many people watching at the moment? 2 people. No, nothing to say. Just want to watch. Fair enough. What coins are hot for the day? Crypto.com. It's funny, yeah, me and my dad were talking about this, I think last month, when this coin had bottomed out. I thought like this coin was just in the depths of despair and that no one would touch it with a barge pole. But ultimately, market cycles, when everyone else is fearful, you do want to be greedy. And it is risky, well, not risky strategy really. In terms of financial risk, it's the safest thing you can do, especially with a project that has use. Luna, Pundi X, both putting in decent numbers today, especially against Bitcoin. KuCoin shares as well, not done too badly. Reef finance has gone up. Unfortunately, my mate sold all of his Reef yesterday to buy other altcoins, which dumped today. But Reef has pumped, so unlucky, mate. Unlucky, as he always says to me. If you're watching this, and I'm sorry, bro, but it is what it's. Parsec. I've been telling you guys about Parsec, man. I've been telling you. Nobody listened. The reason I entered my trade as well is because this is a key fib level in my opinion. Most price confidence in the last few days or so has roughly been in this channel here. If I draw downwards channel like so, and I put it like that and like that, roughly like that, the top of the channel, or just the top of previous price action for the last 4 hours would be around just under 1900 or whatever. So if I was to ride this all the way up to there, then decent gains. But I'll probably just take profits at the VWAP and keep it stepping, to be honest. I ain't got no reason to huddle. Polkadot's down a bit. Can't complain because it's been a beast of a coin. Synthetics is also down in this downwards descending channel. What I hope and what I expect to see is a bounce off of this purple line, may wick under it like we did in earlier phases of the price history, with whether this is November or January or December. There you go, December and November and December may see something similar, and then from that bounce, unless the market absolutely crashes and there's despair and everyone loses hope and shit, but I don't really expect that to happen. It's already had a significant discount from its relative high of 30%, so that's enough discount in my opinion. RSR as well, it's forming a weird pattern. It's still within this consolidation phase, I guess. If we are to break down further, then I would hope for some support at the 200 EMA, right? 200 moving average, excuse me. ADA, can we hold $1? It's hard to see. Currently in a downtrend. Already wicked below it, but there has been strong buying pressure, so that is a good sign. Obviously these things take time to play out. I would sort of expect this to sort of let's try that again. Expect this coin to go up, sorry, the moving average to go up like that, and then price action to maybe zigzag sideways into it before we see the next leg up. That's what I'm keeping a lookout for. The graph is down as well, still within this consolidation phase. The heavy wouldn't say buying pressure, but heavy confluence within this area, so that is a good sign. Ultimately I can get rid of this trend line because too short term a time frame to really be respected, but holding up at this fib level here, which just goes to show how beautiful a thing fibs are. And Parsec being sold at previous all-time high, I am not really interested in taking profits. I'm just going to leave this, let this baby ride. Sure, probably come back down into the accumulation phase if the market continues to dump, but I'm looking for a move like this in the next couple months or so. So no plans to sell. Engine coin, it wanted a breakout, it failed. Still within an accumulation phase, so do keep that on your radar, guys. You want to look for a coin to buy, yeah? So yeah, let me have a look. So you want a coin to buy. Let's see. Voyager is, I mean, everything's high, but if you want a coin that's dipped quite a lot, so one could be this coin here, Poker Starter. This is available on Uniswap, and so far it seems to be some good confluence here. But this coin, in terms of user adoption, as more people getting into crypto, more people want to try to probably get exponential gains. And if that does continue, then people are just going to continue to hold this coin because you need it to access the IDOs available on the platform. So this coin, just from the market high, the relative market high, is 35% discounted. You could say that there is an head and shoulders formation here, but it is on the 4 hour, so you can't really pay too much attention to it. And often we've seen a lot of these bearish formations break out to the upside, so not really too worried about it dumping per se. Another coin that's down a bit as well is not pancake, sorry, Carver USD. It wicked down nearly to the 618 fib. So from its previous high, it's not all-time high, but local high, it's down roughly around 25%. You can see the moving averages going fairly well, going upwards. In the past, when we have had these downward moves, you've seen how quickly they do reverse within a matter of days. So ultimately, just find something that's undervalued and buy it. More undervalued it is, the better. In terms of the biggest losers for the day, that is what I can see on my my charts. If I have a look on CoinGecko though, maybe Cardano is down 10% today, so not the biggest discount. In fact, let me just go here. So if you wanted coins that are on discount today, Venus Swap, market cap 600 million, Pancake Swap minus 15%, 1.6 billion, Ren, Matic is definitely a good long-term hold, definitely 100%. And for the 7-day, it's looking very good. So yeah, that is definitely a good coin. Matic, Voyager as well. Tokenmetrics holds that in high regard. I'm not so sure about Avalanche. I think they had a bug recently, so there is maybe a lot of FUD and fear around this project. But long term, if they can get out of this rut, often projects that do appear, this undervalued, can be a good buy. Local high was $60. Now it's like half of the price, so 50% discount, mate. But I think there were some issues with selling it on an Avalanche, because I think my mom tried to sell some and she wasn't able to really access it. So just keep that in mind. But here are your coins, guys, for the day that are on discount. These are the coins. Yo, what's up, everyone else who's joined? Can I get another like, maybe, for my efforts? Cool. So this, just gonna wait, let it play out. Should take roughly around an hour. Let's see what ETH is doing. ETH, whoa. What's that about? Not really showing the price action that I would hope to see, but I'm just gonna be patient, let that play out. Yeah, just have to be patient. Don't need to worry or anything like that. Bitcoin trade's going strong. Should have put more into my Ethereum trade, man. Too busy being a pussy. Crypto.com. Shit, man. Freaking hell. This coin has been on fire for like the last week. What on earth is... what the fuck? Market cap's 500 million. Just under 600, let's say, actually. This coin seems to have momentum. Let me do what I do. Let me have a look at hot protocol. I remember buying this in summer. Fuck. Jesus Christ, man. I bought this in summer, like, where was it? Here. Roughly in this phase. It was so easy to trade because it would go up and down by like 1 Satoshi. So all you had to do was just buy it when it was like down 1 Satoshi. And then it just goes up again. And that would correspond with like a 10-15% move just from the 1 Satoshi. But shit, man. As the name suggests, it is a hot protocol. From where it peaked, we'll have a look at how high or how much of a discount it is. Draw this down. I need another tea, man. I'm bloody tired. So down 21%. Something that has this much momentum. Market cap still relatively small as well. That is a good sign. If you wanted to be extra conservative, you could try wait for a situation like here where we sort of went through 2 fib levels more or less. So at the 0.618, which would correspond with nearly this previous high. And if you did want to try be extra cheeky, then the 0.5 fib retracement level, this would be the golden pocket here, and that would correspond with a price move down anywhere from the all-time high of around 33 to 42%, and obviously there would be a significant bounce from that. However, we might just get bought up from this fib level here. This project is looking very, very good in terms of the price movement. Like several rejections from here, we break out above it, we come back down to test these 4-5 rejections, we go up higher, and yeah, it's looking good. And you know what else is looking good? My trades. Gosh, I'm kind of childish, I know, sorry. It feels weird, man, not being able to just like hear anyone else. It's just me talking and everyone else listening. There's a couple people listening. Yes, thanks for liking the video, guys. So yeah, I hope I've helped you find some coins, and if I have, then good shit, man. I feel like I'm not sure if you guys know Sonic. I'm sure you do know Sonic the Hedgehog, but crypto is literally just like doing what Sonic does, just literally collecting coins and watching your fucking stack go up. It's like a game. You buy it low, you sell it high, you just do the same thing, and each coin is like a different level of like, you know, the story of Sonic, basically. That's literally how I see it. It's just fun. You make memes, you talk to people, you make friends all over the world. It's just like, it's lovely, man. Like, and it doesn't matter as well what anyone else's like religious beliefs or any other beliefs are. What unites us is the fact that pretty much everyone likes to make money. If you don't like to make money, then I don't know about you, but pretty much every person likes to make money, and with cryptos it's not even that difficult, which is beautiful. I wish this -40 wasn't there, man. It would make my day so much better, but hey, if I can get a quick 100 on this, I will take that. hold on. So at that would be 67% at the VWAP, or just above the VWAP. So 67%, 10%, 30 times 6, 180. So 185-ish quid for the day. Not bad, man. My old job, I used to get paid, I don't know, £10 an hour. £10 an hour I used to get paid, man. I got that in like, man, I just love trading. I love trading. Some people, maybe you could say it's gambling. In a way it is, but in a way it's not, because there's a science to it. So long as you know what you're doing, like you buy at key levels, like Fibonacci levels, big evens or whatever, you're not using too crazy leverage or anything, then it's not really gambling. You just have to be disciplined, stick to your strategy, and just do it. Even trading spot, or like investing, quote unquote, you could even say that's gambling, because you don't know what the future is going to be. You're just taking a chance based upon fundamentals, based upon what your outlook of the world is. But hey, man, you got to take risks in order to get where you want to get to. Chainlink as well. I'm not gonna trade this, because this coin is just, look at this, man. What is this about? What is this? I mean, you could trade it actually, because it's just bouncing off of this line. But I don't know, man. It's kind of frustrating. $32 or so. Previous high was 37. I'd prefer not to trade Chainlink. For me, it's a bit too choppy. ETH and Bitcoin are enough. Keeping an eye on like free trades as well. It's like a juggling act, and it's like mentally exhausting. Especially if there's like an unexpected event and you have to freaking change shit, and if you don't have a stop loss, or it's just too much stress. But yeah, if you guys are looking to trade, I don't know, join my Telegram. It's in the description. It's in the link in the description. Trying to help people as much as I can. I try to give out free signals. I got some coins on there that I posted yesterday. The only thing is that obviously the conditions have changed now, so I might have to update that. But more or less, I try to give out as many signals as I can. If you haven't already subscribed, we keep shit lit over here, man. 4 people. Nice. Who's watching, man? Leave a name. My name's Kakashi Crypto, as you know. I'll be interested to hear your crypto alias if you have one. I'm pretty sure everyone does, man. I'm not sure if you guys have seen Michael Saylor's Twitter, his new Twitter picture. This guy, man. Pretty much I think everyone's ego just like goes into like hyperdrive if you get into crypto. If you look at Michael Saylor's he changed it as well, but it's a similar one, but he changed it. Michael Saylor, look at this. Look at that. That's brilliant, man. That is brilliant. What's my Twitter saying? Not much. Let me cash out some of my gains. Let me not do this on stream, actually. I shall wait. Come on, bit. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be a long stream. I'm just going to wait until the SAR is below price and we have a little pop. Hopefully get above 1850 and might call it quits after that, if we even get there. It's looking a bit shaky. Any comments? Any other coins, guys, you want me to have a look at? Bought some pancake the other day. It's not doing so bad. The annoying thing is that I sold it for freaking for ADA. If I'd held onto this, mate, I had like $500 worth of pancake, so I would have made on the trade, I don't know, 100, 200 quid or $200, sorry. But ADA went up as well, so I can't really complain. What even is holochain? What on earth? They've changed this. Hold on, is it on summary? No, it's not on summary. They changed them, and before it just had a nice brief little paragraph entailing what the coin was, but now they've added all these links and you have to click to view. What's that about? What's that about? Our team, our roadmap, our story. It's obviously something financial, but let's see. Origin story, team project, start change the world. Regenerative software, yada yada yada. Holochain's roadmap, infrastructure, networking. Holochain released alpha test Holofuel by host. Press release hosted by Fuel. All I want is an explanation of what this coin does. Bruh. What is holochain? There we go. So holochain is an open source framework for building fully distributed peer-to-peer applications. Okay, so it's for dApps, potentially. Or just applications. Not necessarily decentralized ones. So the apps are versatile, resilient, scalable, and thousands of times more efficient than blockchain. No token or mining required, which is interesting. I hadn't heard of that model before. Purpose of holochain is to enable humans to interact with each other by mutual consent to a shared set of rules without relying on any authority to dictate or unilaterally change those rules. Peer-to-peer interaction means you own and control your data with no intermediary like Google, Facebook, yada yada yada, collecting, selling, or losing it. And data ownership enables new frontiers of user agency, letting you do more with your data. Imagine truly personal AI, whose purpose is to serve you rather than the corporation that created it. With the user at the center, composable and customizable applications become possible. Okay, interesting. So I don't know what the addressable market would be. I'd need to look into this, but if the project has around a 500 million market cap, then that seems fairly low in my opinion. We've seen a lot of good projects have at least several $1 trillion market cap, so this might be a good project to keep an eye on. As I was saying, yada yada, working best where issuance takes place or as a double entry account. Other ideal uses for holochain include social networks, supply chains, peer-to-peer platforms, rating systems, reputational currencies, collective intelligence, collaboration. So yeah, potential wide array of use cases. That supply chain addressable market is quite big, and VeChain are in my opinion quite okay. What's going on there? Should I just take profit? What do I do? Should I wait? Let's see what it's doing. I'm gonna be a bit more patient. just a bit more patient, and then I'm sure there'll be one final wave to the upside, and then I can break even on that, and then I can take my profit on Bitcoin, and that'll be sweet. Yo, yeah, man. Reef, decent coin. Obviously, see, this is the thing, man. I've been telling people, well, I haven't really been telling people, but I've been talking about it, buying it, not when it's up, but during the consolidation phase. Obviously, it's still more or less within this consolidation phase, but it appears to be like it could be breaking out. Due this bull flag here, this would be the potential target. Altcoin TA isn't something you can 100% rely on, but more or less it is in an uptrend. This is more or less our trend line, and we are more or less finding support in a rough way or whatever. If you to change the line, then obviously it depends, but yeah, I do have a bag of reef. If you are to buy it, then I would suggest just taking out your initial once you've got a double, which could look like it's gonna happen in the next, I don't know, day or so. That's what I've done. So now I've got a free bag of reef just sitting on the side. Not really too fussed, but that's what I do. Well, that's what I've done, I should say. Let me play some music. Non-copyright lo-fi hip-hop. Non-copyright music is actually so crap. There's literally no good songs that you can play, as far as I'm aware. I know this one is copyright. Last time I uploaded it. Still getting to grips with how to change the screen and shit like that. So sorry guys for the lack of hold up. Cool. Yo, what's up? Chelsea Lee. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, subscribe please. But basically, with Polkadot, they have what is known as a parachain auction. So I'll quickly Google it. But with Polkadot, in terms of how it works, is that they have parachains and like relay chains. Is quite complicated to get into, but a lot of projects, they are going to, in order to get a parachain slot on Polkadot, they have to, I believe they have to stake a certain amount of Polkadot, and that locks up the supply of Polkadot. And it's the same thing for Kusama, because Kusama is the testnet of Polkadot. But as that happens, the demand, if the demand for Polkadot stays the same, then obviously the price will continue to go up. When was the auction slot? But yeah, that's, I believe, what led for the price of Polkadot to go up recently. Let me put this down a little bit. So is this the best example of it? Yeah, you can see here Polkadot, it has this different parachains or whatever, and some projects are trying to bid for different spots in order to like support the network, because I believe Polkadot will be a proof of stake network, so they have to contribute to the network, etc. And that is what's led for the recent demand in Polkadot. If you have a look at the price action for DOT, so it's down a bit from its $42 local high, down roughly 12%. if I'm to draw a fib, I don't know even where I could draw this fib from. Let's say roughly here. So at the moment, we've had a retracement to the 0.786. If you wanted to try be cheeky, try catch a little wick down below. You could try catch it at the 618, which would be at the $32 level. That's if this downwards price action is to continue. I've already got my bag, so I'm not really going to add to my permanent position. And Kusama as well. Kusama's been on a tear, man. If you have a look at KSM, if I even have it here, I do have it here, right? Yep, another discount day for Kusama. But yeah, this to me is just, it appears to be in a consolidation phase. This was the last consolidation phase we broke out. Kusama hasn't really been phased by the market's overnight dump, which is a good sign, I guess. I'm not getting good vibes from this trade here. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. Not live in front of all these people. Shit, man. Don't be doing that. Maybe we form a double bottom. Then we have another leg up. Where's my entry price? My entry price is 18. So shit, man, it's only 140. I'll let that ride. This one though, I will massage this trade in case it goes against me, because I'm not trying to lose money today. Bruh. Where the balls at, man? Alright, there they are. They're stepping in. We're gonna defend this 54 level. Defend it like your life depends on it, man. My bag depends on this, so this better get defended. But previous price action around this level, let's have a look. So not much really. Last time we worked here was yesterday or 2 days ago. Did get bought up. It appears to be getting bought up now. So it's whether that continues. That is my concern, because we have set a lower high. So that is a caution sign. But then again, we set a lower high here and we went even higher. But yeah, I have to be cautious. Let's see. Will we get support at the 54k level or not? If you guys have any other recommendations for coins, let me know. Try to keep an eye on them. So Bybit here. From swing high to swing low. So we came down to this 0.1 fib here. Is this too short a time frame there? I'll have a look at the daily, then go from swing high to swing low. So on the daily, you could come back down to these levels here. Interesting. Oh, fuck off, man. Why is this doing this? Shit. Oh, shit. Come on, man. Step in, balls. Step in. Come on. I mean, this is an indecision candle, though. There isn't a, there's no lower. There's a wick up here, basically. So it indicates indecision. When you see there's no upper wick, it means that the downwards trend is strong, and vice versa. So not so much this trend being strong, and not so much this trend being strong. So probably sideways choppy up, or sideways choppy down. That's my conclusion of that. But yeah, just need to wait for these to go underneath price. If that happens, then I can sell. Yo. Yeah, ETH is being a bit weird, man. ETH is like, man, I don't know what's going on with ETH. To be honest, yeah, like if we have a look back, it has done quite well, but only in selective periods. So July, it went crazy. November, it did its thing. And then January as well, it's done its thing, as well as early Feb. Let me get rid of all these lines. So, I mean, we do complain about it being an annoying coin, but it is trending upwards. And yeah, I mean, I don't know when it will happen, but there has to be one like crazy parabolic move for ETH. My guess would be for EIP 1559. That is the Ethereum improvement proposal 1559, where they're basically going to burn gas fees. So as you're transacting on Uniswap or the Ethereum network, those fees that you would be paying miners or whatever, or the network, I believe that would get rewarded to the users, and that would change things significantly. That would definitely change things significantly. I don't know as to the regards of this website because I'm just clicking on it live. I don't know their what their reputation is in the community, but I mean, if this is to come true, then it would be a very good sign. ETH fees are currently worth ETH at 2,500, grew 150x over the past 15 months, begin accruing to ETH holders when EIP 1559 launches later this year. So I don't know who this guy is, Ryan B. We'll call him Ryan B. Doesn't seem that well known in the space, so take his word with a pinch of salt, but more or less the idea of 1559 would see a price appreciation for the Ethereum token. Then we could start seeing several thousands. And there's I'm not sure if you guys know Ian Bellina. He's like an OG to be exact in the crypto space. He is like an Ethereum maximalist, more or less. He doesn't own Bitcoin, he just owns Ethereum, simply because he believes that it has more upside, which he could be right about, to be honest. But in essence, what I'm trying to say is, I think we'll see ETH start to do well around EIP 1559, which should be in summer. Another event to look out for as well, which is in April, I believe, or around that time frame, is the the Ethereum hard fork, because we're transferring from ETH1 to ETH2. So that could cause some price volatility. So all things to look out for. But yeah, generally we are in this upwards ascending channel. Excuse me. Whether we go to the bottom of it, so long as we stay above the 200 moving average, that's a good sign. So the closer we get to it, the more Ethereum you want to buy. Not financial advice, or trade, I should say, because I'm not really buying it, I'm trading it. There's no cost of purchase, just you use your assets to make you more assets, which is a beautiful concept. But yeah, let's see what the top of this channel is. Shit then. So top of this channel is 2800. I don't think there wasn't enough price momentum to rocket the price up. And if that was to happen, it wouldn't be natural, I don't think. So zigs and zags are nice. Zigs and zags are good for ETH. They're good. Yeah, that's what I have to say on ETH. Bitcoin's back up. You naughty, teasing me. Oh man, guys, man, I have to keep myself entertained. I'm an only child, so you know how it is, man. Are people still watching? Yeah, people are still watching. Shit, I'm surprised. Thanks for your time, guys. I appreciate it. Any other coins that you guys want to look at, or have your eyes on? Funding rate's kind of low at the moment. It's still quite early in the morning, isn't it? 11:30. Damn. 5100. 74 quid. Yeah, I can't complain. Cannot complain at all. My old daily wage in like 30 minutes, man. I freaking love trading. I freaking love it. Can never get tired of this shit. So if I put a limit order, let's see what other crypto news there is to look at today. Insecurities, regular. Bitcoin faces turbulence with market liquidity fall, says JP Morgan. Stripe name, digital currency advocate. Nothing too interesting. If we have a look at Decrypt. What are these NFTs? What the fuck? Jesus Christ. NBA Top Shots sees 32 million of trading volume in a day. Thousands of people are trading the NFT based basketball trading cards, dwarfing that of any other rival product. Man, this is where if you had knowledge of basketball, it would really come into play. Unfortunately, I do not. But they should make football versions of this. And when I talk about football, I mean proper football, not American football. I mean football, soccer. But blockchain-based NFT collectible NBA Top Shots is taking off big time. In the last 24 hours, more than 27,000 people traded the basketball-themed cards, according to CryptoSlam. In total, they made 139,000 trades while exchanging 32.4 million of cryptocurrency. This huge surge in trading volume and activity has pushed Top Shots to the top of the NFT market, where it now leaps and bounds ahead of the competition. Yada 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 yada. Top Shot cards start from around $29 for the most common cards when there are a lot of them. Rarer cards can start from low thousands up to peak values of 250,000. That is crazy. That's crazy, man. I mean, a lot of experts are predicting that the hype for NFTs and the value of NFTs is going to utterly collapse after this bull run, which I can see happening. People are just doing it to get more ETH and using that to buy more altcoins, which is not a bad strategy. To be honest, you want to diversify your income, whether it's through or however you do it. You know, diversifying your income during times of a pandemic is nothing to be scoffed at. Okay, we're starting to see life now. Parabolic SAR is now underneath the price action. I am hoping for this to go up to here. I can make my daily bread, and then I can get out this trade and look for something else to do. Proof. This thing's weird though, man. I don't know why it shows the last traded price and then the mark price. I would just rather one. It's a weird one. I should have done 25x, man. Too busy being a pussy. Yo, what's up, man? DC Lucian BTT. So that's BitTorrent, yeah. Thanks for liking the video, guys. I know there's not many of you, but I appreciate your time. It's weird because I don't know, people with a small channel like mine usually don't live stream, but I think it's actually a lot easier because to actually put in the work to make a video is a lot longer than you think, and especially if a lot of people don't watch it, it can be a bit annoying. If I just go live, then it's just there, you know. BitTorrent. So you want the good news or the bad news? Well, bad news is you missed the accumulation phase of a lifetime on Valentine's Day. You're too busy getting your missus roses and shit. No, I'm joking, man. But it's looking good. It's looking solid. This freaking candle, fuck, man. Freaking hell, 81% in 4 hours. But yeah, it's in an uptrend. It's at a fib level as well, the 786. Not the best fib for accumulation. You would want, the 618, the 0.5, corresponding with a 0.0012 cent price and a 0.0013 cent price of a coin. But it is being currently bought up as we speak, and if you did want a short-term trade, you could just throw that out the window, and because there will be a bounce from this, in my opinion. How long it will last, I don't know, but from where the all-time high was, it's down roughly 13%. So yeah, you could catch a bounce to this upside here, and then further than that, you'd want this level to break here. So this could take some bounces, could take several attempts, but yeah, it's looking good on the daily. Let's have a look. Yeah, strong momentum. It is high, so you just do need to bear that in mind, but it's a good, it is risky. I'm not gonna lie to you. It could do what it did there, which would be scary. Another option you could do is, if you're on Binance, you could just have limit orders, so have a limit order here, have a limit order here and here, and let's say you had $300, just split it across these 3 levels. If it bounces off here, goes up, then you win. If it bounces here and goes down lower, then you get an average price of here, So when it eventually goes back up, then you win. And same thing for this price level, just would lower your average cost even further. 67. Come on, man. Why are you taking so long to freaking play out? Go up. But yeah, ETH is looking better than Bitcoin at the moment. The SAR is below price. Not to say that it's guaranteed price is going to go up, but I mean, look at this. It reminds me of the what do you call it? The 30k level. Even though this is a much smaller time frame, strong support. Buying pressure here. This should continue. Can't dump forever, right? Minus 8%. And last time there was a dump of minus 8%. It's quite far back to go, but minus 6%. It didn't last that long. We went back up. So what goes up must come down. What goes down will go back up. Just gotta be patient. Any other questions? XRP. Oh, this was second. So this is Pundi X. I know it because it's giving me crypto PTSD. Mate. But I don't like to buy coins when they're high up. I got told about it like here maybe, I can't remember. But I was thinking, go back down or whatever. But it's in a clear uptrend. Like with these coins, I've realized you just have to risk a little bit, see what it does. Long term, this should go up. Short term, we are starting to see a bit of a rejection at this level here. However, hold on, let's just go into lower time frames. Personally, I would wait for it to go sideways a bit before I ladder in my buy, just because of how this is played out historically. It sort of goes up, sideways, up, sideways, up, sideways, up. Now, I would want the next sideways phase, like the downward sideways phase. So within here, if it continues to go up, I mean, I could be wrong and it could continue to pump a lot, but looking at the MACD here, it's looking like the momentum is slowing down a bit. And this candle has had 6 hours to form as well, so I wouldn't disregard it as such. On the 12-hour, still bullish, but yeah, what you'd want is for a break of the 0.0029 cent mark. But with previous highs, you've seen what's happened, so that's my advice. I would wait for it to go sideways. And then someone said XRP as well, right? I'll get to that in a jiff. Go up, bruh. Go up. Just freaking go up. Patience. XRP. I think they have their case tomorrow. I have a friend who is head over heels for XRP. Like, this guy's bought like $4,000 worth of XRP. I would only put that sort of money in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but hey, crypto's a gamble at the end of the day. There seems to be a lot of rejection at this current price here, around the 58, or to be more precise, the $63 level. You can see how many times price has been rejected at that level. Why that's happened, I can't tell you. What I can tell you is that the CEOs, they sell XRP for a living. So if you do want to buy it, I would wait for it to come down a bit more, to be honest. But on the other hand, the case could catapult the price of XRP into the stratosphere. So it's your call, man. Take the risk, roll the dice, or play it safe. But you do need to take risks in order to achieve stuff. So that's my advice. But I would heed this as a warning, you know. I would probably wait until we break above it, come back down to test it, and then that would confirm to me that the uptrend is there. Because this whole price action, like, what shape is this? It's okay to trade if you're like buying the dips or whatever, like, but other than that, solid fundamentals. In terms of DeFi, XRP, like, there's so many other coins that are doing what XRP is doing. So, but I could be wrong, man. I could be wrong. Yeah, those are my 2 cents on XRP. And how is this doing? This is still flopping around. Bitcoin's under 55, isn't it? Yep, it is. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and break even on Ethereum, more or less, and then I'll just focus on Bitcoin, because I'm not too trusting of this. Hold on, price is going back up. Testing my patience. How long's left for this candle? May. There was another coin as well someone talked about. Yeah, what's up, boss? You bought yourself a lot of ETH at 1800 like a week ago. Didn't cash in this weekend, starting to panic right now. Just hold strong, man. Hold strong. Don't worry. ETH, I mean, if you bought at 1800, then you're still in the green. Like, don't worry about the price short term. You should worry about it long term. I know you did buy in kind of late, but we're in a bull run, okay? Like, everything's gonna go up pretty much. There will be some sideways shaky in the immediate short term, but look, that's the trend. Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe. But look, this is the trend, okay? Obviously, we will top out soon. When I say soon, I mean like before the year end. But as long as the price goes up between now and then, between now and like here, what's there to worry about? I personally, I have a set of Bitcoin and Ethereum that I don't touch. I just keep it locked away. So if it's your whole portfolio and you're not trading, I would suggest earning some interest on that. So you're just, maximizing your gains. But I wouldn't worry too much about Ethereum, because ultimately we will get supported. Already from all-time high of 20 something. Sugar. Sorry, excuse me. So already from the high, we are down 10%. And until Bitcoin has like a major capitulation and just crashes, which I don't think will happen anytime soon, Ethereum will be fine. We're still within this ascending channel. If we were to break down from this channel, then it would be a bad sign. Could we go a bit further lower? Potentially, yeah. But there would be, in my opinion at least, there would be buying pressure from Ethereum. So the next fib level would be 1761, and then beyond that it would be around 1660 or so. But I don't think we'll get there. Looking back at the daily candles, 1 or 2 days, 3 at most of dumpage before the price goes back up. So short term is scary. Short term, I can't lie, it is scary, especially when you're new to the market. But give it like a month. Look at that. Within a day, it went down 32%. But then, after that same 32% dump, from the lowest wick, okay, try that again. From the lowest wick, just within 2-3 days, it went back up 36%, and within a week, it went up 58%. So we're going parabolic. Just don't worry. Basically, that's my view. Could come back down lower, but that would ultimately be the outcome. Even if it wicked lower here, it would still go back up. Everything will go up, basically, is what I'm getting at. Being quite repetitive, but yeah, it's not to worry, man. Like, don't panic sell. Even if you are underwater a bit, and you know it goes to like 1700 or whatever, don't panic sell. Or if you're worried it's gonna go lower than where you bought, sell when you're in profit, not when you're underwater. But yeah, I wouldn't worry too much, man. Cool. So ETH, looking like it's going to turn around now on Bitcoin, which is a good sign. The stochastic RSI is in an uptrend, yet to go to the oversold or overbought territories, excuse me. These wicks are getting bought up, which is a good sign. I just need to be careful of what I'm doing. I might get out of ETH. I'm not liking this. Mate. I can just focus on Bitcoin. Don't screw me. Come on, Bitcoin, just go up. Go up, god damn it. What other coins looking good? BNB, healthy discount for the day. Healthy minus 11%. This seems like it is a key level of support for BNB. So let's see what shape is formed out of this. Don't really. What pan could you say is? Bull flag maybe? Descending triangle? Or ascending triangle? Ascending triangle, I believe. Ascending. Breakout. Probability. So it would be a descending triangle then, excuse me. So descending triangle. Bro, what's this shit? So it appears to be a bearish pattern for BNB, but these things often surprise us, man. Look how big that wick is. It's a huge wick, man. Support there, support there, support there. Currently support now. I mean, if it breaks, then yeah, it's going down. But if it holds, which is looking like it might, could be a decent buy. What's ETH doing? Yeah, I knew it was gonna go down. I should have taken profits. Oh hell no! Alright, I think I'm gonna end the stream and come back with a vengeance in a bit. But oh, okay, we got some more comments. Bought Ethereum last night. Oh mate, just don't panic sell, man. Don't panic sell. It's okay, man. Like, I've been there. Last year I was buying tops, like not knowing what I was doing. But you just have to just hodl, I guess. Hodl, try to earn some yield, and you'll be sweet. Okay, showing some life on Bitcoin. Alright, I might not close this trade. If I'd bought on here, I'd be more comfortable. Feel exposed. 54k. This is the thing about trading, man. It changes so quickly within a short space of time. You have to not be greedy. Greed is a profit killer. You have to be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. It's a hard mentality to shift into. It takes a bit of time, but with persistence and practice, pretty sure everyone can get there. Okay, what is going on right now? Bruh, I literally went from 96 quid in profit to like 24 pounds to 4 pounds. Mental, man. Non-concurrent viewers. Any more questions, guys? Because I'm thinking to close it off a bit soon. Oh yeah, mate. You're it's only an unrealized loss. If you sell, then it becomes a realized loss. So if you just hold on to it, as painful as it is, it's yeah, it won't be that bad. But also going forward as well, just try to like dollar cost average a position instead of like going all in, because situations like these happen. But yeah, hope that helps. And the same way you can dollar cost average in as well, you can dollar cost average out. So if this trade had gone how I'd hoped, then, or if it goes like I hope, if it gets up to here, I can take out, I don't know, 10-15% of the trade, maybe even half. I can raise my stop loss, let the rest ride. But yeah, DCAing with spot is a lot easier than DCAing with leverage, because it gets kind of mad. Especially with the volatility. BNB is breaking down. Parsic's coming down a bit as well. But yeah, this is a long-term hold for me. Not too worried about that. The graph. Luna. Despite everything, this coin is up 18% today. Still within this bullish flag. The 200 moving average is looking good. Yeah, this is a consolidation phase. And now I'm underwater officially. Great. Bruh. What is going on right now? I think we're going to continue to dump further. Let's see what happens. Trading is a stressful job. 1 minute is going so well. Next minute, shit's up, shit's creek. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we bounce off 54. If we don't, then I lose 10% or so, 10-15%. But I have to wait out. I'm not liking this. Yeah, this was not a good indication. Seems like it's gonna go back down, so I'm gonna try to get out as soon as possible. Shit. Do we bounce or do we continue to dump? That is the question. People buying up. If we break below the previous low, then we dump, and I would lose 50 quid, which I'll be okay with. Let's see what happens. It's looking like I'm gonna lose this trade. Damn. Everyone's getting wrecked today, man. Shit. Do we find support? Or is it just gonna continue to dump? Alright, if I lose this trade, I'm gonna close the stream and I have to come back. Man. See what greed does? Greed is not good. Greed is not a good thing at all. The thing is, if I'd bought at 54, I wouldn't mind being in the trade right now. So I bought 54.4, which according to the VWAP is undervalued. And if we are having a double bottom on the 15-minute chart, which is too early to say, but if we are, then we should go back up to the VWAP. And if we don't, then I lose. But hey man, I'm not gonna panic, so I just have to leave it. Glad I got out of my Ethereum trade though. Just had a feeling and I was right. Whether I should re-enter or not, I think I'll stick to one coin for the time being. See how that goes. And then so far so good. Recovering from the depths of despair. On the 15-minute chart, we're yet to have the parabolic SAR below the price, and it can only be above or below for so long, like not an indefinite period. I would argue that it's coming to an end, more or less. So just have to wait, man. Wait, let this baby come back up. If it gets to like 55.8, then I should sell that. 55.8. So 55.8. So I'd make 150 if that situation was to play out. Do you guys trade spot, or do you guys just leverage trade, or do you do both? Be interested to hear what you guys have to say. Should have bought stablecoin on Saturday. Ooh, maybe I was wrong. Maybe this dump will continue. Maybe my leverage is too high. I don't know. Time will tell. Either I'll make a lot of money in front of all of you guys, or I will lose like 50-60 quid. Pretty sure that 54 should be a level of support for Bitcoin, man. Why would it not be? After like a big dump. Okay. Maybe it wouldn't be. Just because it's a big even. Higher highs, lower highs. So bearish divergence from this moment here, which I did not pay attention to. Shit, man. Higher highs and lower highs. Yeah, I may have fucked up. Shit. Hey. It is what it is. Was not successful. Cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the stream because I just lost 80 quid. So see you soon.